smashed in there and hung up for a long time, and then finally it rotted through and broke. It's really cold.
I realized that Shane's a real person, so I was pretending to be.
It's just a few hikers.
Hi! Are you recording?
I am. There's where we're going again. Oh, look, you can see, what is that over there? All right, final slog. Oh yeah, there's Thielsen. All right, we're making it. Whew. There's Diamond Peak. Mount Bailey. So you see the kind of the huge face. The face to the right is called Refrigerator Door. It's a run, ski run. And the other one to the left is called the Northeast Face. The one to the left was my last run of the day, my first year snowcat skiing at Mount Bailey in 2000. And Refrigerator Door was the last run I ever took at Mount Bailey in 2003. Alright, we're back to Cowhorn. Once again, Crescent Lake, Davis Lake, Bachelor, Broken Top, South Sister, North Sister, Washington, Jefferson, Diamond Peak, Summit Lake, Sawtooth, Mount Bailey, Baldy, McLaughlin, I think, and Thielsen. Everybody's going for it, looks like. So we're gonna end up having 18 of us summit today. Pretty impressive. Good job, Shanna, for picking the date, organizing the trip, and making it up here. Still got a little ways to go yet. Here's a good ski run. Yeah. All right. Almost to the top. It's kind of squirrely. Gotta climb up. That, and there she is. Not much further. But it is straight down. No falling allowed. Made it to the summit. I got up here and there's another guy up here that's not in our group, just hanging out. Don't see that every day. Had to put on the micro spikes that last section. What was your name? Jack. Jack. Jason. Good place to meet somebody, huh?
You did it!
Woo!
This is awesome. I'm glad you did this.
Top of the world.
Oh my
Kinda.
gosh.
It's actually warm right now. There's a warm breeze blowing up here. I could be in shorts and a t-shirt. So we made it. Pretty exciting. What are you doing, kids? There's our fearless leader. Here you go. There's a big elk truck for you. Well, everybody's gone home and I'm sitting here by the fire and it is really cold, so I'm staying really close to the fire. Just want to say real quick, thank you so much, Shanna, again, for putting this together, and it really means a lot to everybody, and it's an amazing day. I'm so very, very grateful for a day like today, and I know a lot of other people are too. And so thank you so much for Adam, Maggie, everybody who's put together this group, and it means a lot. It makes a big difference in a lot of people's lives, I think, and you're doing the good in the world and we appreciate it, so keep it up. Thank you. And thank you so much, Hike Oregon, for inspiring so many people. And I got to hear so many neat stories last night and today. People you've inspired, and it's made all the difference, and none of us would have been here today if it wasn't for your inspiration in creating your YouTube videos, and now here we all are. So thank you very much. Just leaving Timpanogas, going down a different road, back down to Road 21, taking a different route, but I'm only 1 minute away from Timpanogas, and there's Diamond Peak. I didn't even know you could see it. It's just right over here, a little bit farther southwest, down the road on 2154. This is kind of cool. On this alternative drive I'm taking home, I just keep getting great views of Diamond Peak and stuff. And right here, this particular spot, Diamond Peak and Cowhorn. Well, I couldn't help myself. I was driving along and saw this. Got the map out, and it looks like I can drive up there somewhere close by. So I've got to go see what I got here. Hills Peak is what it's called, I believe. Another really cool spot. Driving up here, look at that. You can see Diamond and both Cowhorn and Sawtooth. Well, I decided to walk the rest of the way. Nice wheeling road. A lot of spots to get high centered in my rig, so didn't want to do that. Getting ready to get some really good views though. Thielsen and Bailey are right over there. Hill Peak. There's a picnic table on a platform. How neat. Wow. What? Nice. Standing on top of that one yesterday. Hills Peak. Never been here before. Somebody was doing something romantic up here. There's a bunch of rose petals, all like a trail, sprinkled around down over there. Coming up here, and then a few more down here. It's a good spot to pitch a tent, I guess. And from the other side of the trees, you got Bailey and Thielsen right here.